Hi, this is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I've made this short video for Perfect Air Solutions. In this short video, I'll be telling you guys 3 things you could do today to bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of the video you like what you heard, shoot me a message and we can chat. And I'll get right into it. The 3 things I'll be talking about today will be content, citations, and backlinks. So the first thing I want to talk about is content. As you can see, I'm on the home page of your website. And when I say content, I mean anything that's on here, pictures, words, videos, all that stuff. And Google loves content, more the merrier. You want to have at least 1,500 or more words on this home page alone. So as I can see, you guys have a good website, which is a good starting point. You can definitely add some more sections to here, put some more content, and make it even pop a little bit more. So the second thing I want to talk about today will be citations. So I went ahead and did a little search in the New York City area for heating and HVAC companies, just to show you similar search results to what customers will be looking at. So the first thing you will see is this top section, which is called the Google Guaranteed section. This is a paid service in which a business has to go through a verification process with Google, and after that they can advertise right here. It's really good. It's the first thing customers see, and it's giving really good leads. After that, we move down to the traditional Google Ads section right here. And this section is a hit or miss right now in 2020 because a lot of people just skip right over these due to maybe bad prior experiences, and also because people have something called ad blockers nowadays, and if that's enabled, they're not going to see this at all. Businesses still like to use these, and if it's placed properly, it'll get you your money back. After that, we move down to this section, which is called the Google Map Pack. And this is where I'll explain what a citation is also. So in its basic form, a citation is basically anywhere on the web where you can put in your business information, such as your name, address, and telephone. And this one right here, you can see it has all that: name, address, telephone, even more stuff like hours of operation, link to the business website. I always recommend my business clients to definitely try to get up on these top 3 spots, and we specialize in that. After that, we move down to the organic section, what this is called. Over here you'll find the companies and businesses which have beat out the competition and made it to the first page of the Google search results. First page is where all the action is at, and you want to catch as much of that action as you can. So we also specialize in moving websites towards this first page. And the last thing I'm going to talk about today is going to be backlinks. Backlink is basically any website out there which is providing a link leading to your website. So to help me explain that, I use this tool right here called Ahrefs. It's a really neat tool. I pay for it every month. They get their data straight from Google, and I can see and assess the performance of any website. So as you can see, I've typed in your website, and it's telling me you guys right now have 13 referring domains to you, giving you 70 backlinks, giving you 24 keywords, but they're not giving you any traffic at the moment. So to compare this, I've pulled up a competitor in New York City to show you what their numbers look like. Right here. As you can see, it's a significant difference in the numbers. They've got more than 700 referring domains, giving them more than 3,000 backlinks, giving them more than 26,000 keywords, which ultimately give them more than 26,000 organic traffic. More than 26,000 people visiting their website per month. Now that's customers that you want, and that's the kind of numbers you want to be hitting. Let me go back to yours for a second. And to boost these numbers and pump them higher as you can into the thousands, it's definitely very doable, and that's what we specialize in. So I'll go back to your website right here. That's pretty much all I had for you today. I hope you found this information to be educational for you. And if you'd like to know more on how NYC marketers can help you grow your business, give me a call. I'd love to chat. And if you could please give me some feedback on what you thought about this video and how I did, I really appreciated that too. With that, thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day.